Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm here to wish you all happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. It has been yet another ugly, horrible year thanks to COVID and her terribly, terrible stepsisters. But my nan used to say, from when I was a little girl, and I just thought I'd like to share with you, there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and when you walk through life, always look up, because in looking down, you might just miss something. So I'm here to share that I am looking up and I'm looking out, and I know that we are surrounded by beauty. We just haven't been able to see it because it hasn't been such nice times. So God bless, and may profound peace fill your hearts, and may the true spirit of Christmas, yes, that's what I want to say, may the true spirit of Christmas fill your hearts and light your path. See you again in the new year. Bye for now.